rotten. These bananas are rotten. Unripe. The bananas are unripe. You must not eat it. Ripe. The bananas are ripe, so we can eat them now. Bitter. Black coffee without sugar is often bitter. This medicine tastes bitter. Sour. Lemons have a sour taste. Chewy. Bubble gum is chewy. Spicy. Try not to eat too much spicy food. Sweet. This candy is too sweet. Greasy. Oily. These French fries are very greasy. Fresh. Stale. These breads are fresh. The bread had gone stale. Salty. I added too much salt to the soup and now it is too salty. Mashed. We had some mashed potatoes with our meat. Fried. Boiled.